Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming various industries, and it has become a lucrative field for those who want to make money. With the increasing demand for AI technologies, there is a growing need for people with AI expertise. If you have the necessary skills and knowledge, you can make over $100 a day with AI. In this video, we will discuss some ways you can make money with AI. Create AI models for businesses. One way to make money with AI is by creating AI models for businesses. Many companies are interested in using AI technologies to improve their operations, but they lack the necessary skills to do so. As an AI expert, you can create AI models that can help businesses optimize their operations, improve customer experience, or automate tasks. You can charge businesses for the AI models you create, and this can be a lucrative way to make money. Let's discuss the steps in detail. Number 1. Understand the business problem. The first step in creating an AI model for a business is to understand the business problem that needs to be solved. It is essential to work closely with the business stakeholders to identify the pain points and the objectives that the AI model needs to achieve. This will help you to design an AI model that is tailored to the specific needs of the business. Number 2. Collect and prepare data. Once you have identified the problem, the next step is to collect and prepare the data needed for the AI model. This involves gathering data from various sources, cleaning and pre-processing the data, and selecting the relevant features. The quality of the data used to train an AI model is critical, as it will determine the accuracy and effectiveness of the model. Number 3. Choose the right algorithm. Choosing the right algorithm is essential in creating an effective AI model. There are various algorithms available for different types of problems, and the choice of algorithm will depend on the nature of the problem and the available data. Some popular algorithms for supervised learning include linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Number 4. Train and test the model. Once you have selected the algorithm, the next step is to train and test the AI model. This involves splitting the data into training and testing sets, training the model on the training data, and evaluating the model's performance on the testing data. It is essential to monitor the model's performance and fine-tune the model as needed to achieve the desired accuracy. Number 5. Deploy the model. After the model has been trained and tested, the next step is to deploy the model into the business environment. This involves integrating the model into the business workflow and providing an interface for business stakeholders to interact with the model. It is important to monitor the model's performance in the real world and make adjustments as needed. Number 6. Provide ongoing support. Once the AI model has been deployed, it is important to provide ongoing support to the business. This includes monitoring the model's performance, providing training to users, and making adjustments to the model as needed. Providing ongoing support ensures that the AI model continues to meet the business's needs and delivers the desired results. Develop AI applications. Another way to make money with AI is by developing AI applications. AI applications can help solve various problems, such as fraud detection, recommendation systems, and natural language processing. You can develop AI applications and sell them to businesses or individuals who need them. You can also create AI applications and monetize them through advertising or in-app purchases. Let's discuss the steps in detail. Number 1. Identify the problem. The first step in developing an AI application is to identify the problem that needs to be solved. This involves working closely with the business stakeholders to understand their pain points and the objectives they want to achieve. Once the problem has been identified, it is important to define the scope of the project and the expected outcomes. Number 2. Choose the right AI technologies. Choosing the right AI technologies is essential in developing effective AI applications. There are various AI technologies available, such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. The choice of technology will depend on the nature of the problem and the available data. It is important to stay up to date with the latest AI technologies and research to ensure that the application is using the most effective and efficient technology. Number 3. Collect and prepare data. Data is the fuel that powers AI applications. It is important to collect and prepare high-quality data that is relevant to the problem being solved. This involves cleaning and pre-processing the data, selecting the relevant features, and creating training and testing sets. The quality of the data will determine the accuracy and effectiveness of the AI application. Number 4. Choose the right programming language. Choosing the right programming language is essential in developing AI applications. Popular programming languages for AI development include Python, R, and Java. The choice of the programming language will depend on the nature of the problem and the AI technology being used. Number 5. Develop the AI model. Once the data has been collected and the programming language has been selected, the next step is to develop the AI model. This involves selecting the appropriate algorithm and architecture for the problem, training the model on the data, and evaluating the model's performance. It is important to fine-tune the model to achieve the desired accuracy and effectiveness. Number 6. Integrate the AI model. The AI model needs to be integrated into the application's architecture. This involves creating an interface for the AI model to interact with the application and integrating the AI model with the application's database and other components. It is important to test the integration to ensure that it is working correctly. Number 7. Deploy the AI application. Once the AI application has been developed and integrated, the next step is to deploy the application. This involves deploying the application to a server, hosting service, or cloud platform. It is important to monitor the application's performance and make adjustments as needed. Offer AI consulting services. If you have expertise in AI, you can offer consulting services to businesses or individuals. You can provide advice on AI technologies, help businesses identify AI use cases, and provide guidance on implementing AI solutions. You can charge for your consulting services by the hour or project. Let's discuss the steps in detail. Number 1. Define your expertise. The first step in offering AI consulting services is to define your expertise. This involves understanding your strengths and weaknesses and identifying the areas where you can provide the most value. Some examples of AI consulting services include developing AI strategies, identifying AI use cases, implementing AI solutions, and providing AI training. Number 2. Build a portfolio. Building a portfolio of past AI consulting projects is essential in demonstrating your expertise and credibility. This involves documenting the problem, the solution, and the results of past AI consulting projects. Having a portfolio can help you showcase your work to potential clients and differentiate yourself from other AI consulting services. Number 3. Network and market yourself. Networking and marketing yourself are critical in building a client base for your AI consulting services. This involves attending industry events, joining AI communities and forums, and leveraging social media to reach potential clients. It is important to build a strong brand and reputation in the AI community to attract clients. Number 4. Develop a process. Developing a process for your AI consulting services is essential in delivering consistent and effective results for your clients. This involves developing a methodology for assessing the client's needs, identifying the problem, proposing a solution, implementing the solution, and measuring the results. It is important to communicate the process to clients to set expectations and ensure transparency. Number 5. Provide ongoing support. Providing ongoing support is critical in maintaining a long-term relationship with your clients. This involves providing training and education to help clients understand how to use and maintain the AI solution, monitoring the performance of the AI solution, and providing updates and improvements as needed. Providing ongoing support can help build trust and loyalty with clients. Some of the other ways are: create AI courses or tutorials. If you are knowledgeable about AI, you can create courses or tutorials to teach others about AI. You can create online courses, videos, or written tutorials that teach people about AI technologies, programming languages, or algorithms. You can monetize your courses or tutorials through advertising, sponsorships, or charging for access. Invest in AI stocks or funds. Another way to make money with AI is by investing in AI stocks or funds. As AI technologies continue to grow and improve, the companies that develop and implement them may experience significant growth. Investing in AI stocks or funds can be a long-term investment strategy that can provide significant returns. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about the top 5 AI crypto to invest in, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.